I wanted to show you this color. It's called Dragonfly and it's absolutely gorgeous. And this is my old bottle that I just got back from Canada because this color was discontinued for a while, but it's back. So if you like these shimmery kind of shifting colors, and if you like green, so this is like the green version of the Blue Blood. And when it dries, unfortunately, the camera doesn't really show the shift as much, but it kind of looks blue on the sides. So it shifts from like a warm green to a blue. And when it dries, it looks a little bit more foily. It's stunning. It's really, really beautiful. Now it looks a little bit more foily when it dries. I personally prefer that look as well. So let's see how it looks with the second coat, and then I'm going to put a top coat and let it dry and show you how it looks. Okay, and this is how it looks. Absolutely beautiful, mesmerizing.